As Jordan brand celebrates its 40th anniversary, attention has largely focused on Michael Jordan's first signature sneaker. Still, other iconic silhouettes are getting their moment, like the Air Jordan 3. Nearing its own 40th anniversary, the AJ3 continues to grow its lineup with both timeless and fresh designs. Among them is a returning favorite, the Pure Money colorway from 2007, and a newly revealed kids exclusive edition. This latest version comes in a white, Cobalt Bliss, football gray and pink glow palette, offering a playful twist on the classic look. Elephant print overlays around the toe and heel trade the usual cement gray for a blue hue, while the ankle collar introduces denim paneling, a detail rumored to reappear in the upcoming Levi's X Jordan 3 collab in spring 2026. Bright pink glow accents pop on the eyelets and branding, infusing youthful energy into the legacy model. Expect this kid's retro to release in October via Nike.com. Jordan.